Good morning, welcome to MunafaSutra.com morning headlines. This is the English version of daily news of MunafaSutra.com. Every day in the morning around 8 o'clock, I bring for you morning headlines, Nifty view, and broker recommendations for the day. This is before the market opens. Let us see what is the Nifty view for today. Nifty has a resistance somewhere around 11,800 and 850, and there is a second resistance around 11,950. There is a very far resistance around 12,250, but let's forget about it. That is too far away. Nifty is trading somewhere around 11,650 today. So, and there is a trend line point at this same point, 11,650, near this. So today what we'll do in Nifty is we will not take a trade as soon as market opens. We'll wait for the market to settle for around 50-20 minutes. After that, we will check the trend on MunafaSutra.com in fear and greed meter. If that trend is showing an upward move, only then we will take a buy side call. Otherwise, there is a good chance that Nifty might show you a little more downside. How much more downside is possible? Somewhere around 150 to 200 points might be possible today itself. We'll have to look into the fear grid meter to see which side is picking up momentum. Okay, so what are the news headlines today? UPI payments have grown up to a total of 2 billion in the couple of days, previous couple of months. What does this mean? This means that people are not going to the markets, physical markets and shopping centers to buy the product, but there is shopping going on. And this shopping is going on through online websites like Flipkart, Snapdeal and those kind of websites, Amazon. And people are paying online for these things. So we'll also keep an eye on these kind of stocks, online trading stocks. Bharat Biotech has said that they will bring a corona vaccine till next year only. See, all these companies are basically giving you a hint that nothing is going to come this year. There are still 2 months to go, and we will not be able to provide you anything for these 2 months. You will have to wait for at least another 3 to 4 to 5 months before any vaccine or any medicine can be provided for corona. So please don't expect any surprise gains in the market, expecting that some medicine will come out, some medicine will come out. It's not going to happen. All the companies that are working on vaccine and medicines, they're all saying that it will be next year. It's not going to happen this year. Maruti, Hyundai and these other auto companies have shown higher booking numbers for the month of Navratri. This Devi Pujan session that has passed by, they have shown a higher number of bookings in their car sales. Now we have been telling you for the last about 1 month or so that auto companies are expecting a rise in sales, and we were recommending you different stocks based on this. Although we were more focused towards ancillary stocks, not directly auto stocks, but we were more focused on auto ancillary stocks. These are the stocks where that they provide auto parts to auto companies. So even if the car does not sell, still the auto ancillary part provider will get paid. They are the ones providing tires and batteries and other things to the car. Our bet was on Amar Raja battery. We gave you that call on about 5th or 6th in the starting of October, and that call hit all its upper targets, both the upper targets, somewhere around 22nd or 23rd October. This was the same Munafa pick we gave you. Munafa picks are the same picks that we give to our paid clients. Our paid clients, they get 10 or 12, a list of 10 or 12 stocks, and out of those 10 or 12 stocks, I brought one stock out for you here in the starting of the month of October. DLF is also expecting a good number of increase in bookings they are saying that around 2,500 crores worth of bookings will come in the next couple of months, basically in the next year. Now again, we have been telling you about realty sector as well, that this entire sector is also expecting a good rise in somewhere in the next year. Housing finance companies and realty companies and cement companies, we have been talking about this, and broker recommendations are also coming out on cement companies and housing finance companies. What is the broker recommendation for today? Broker recommendation for today is on Marico. Dolat Capital is giving a target of 388. Now let me remind you please, we also gave you a recommendation, Munafa pick recommendation on this same stock Marico. Both our upper targets were hit, and Dolat Capital is now giving you an even higher target for the same stock now. We gave you this pick somewhere around 5th or 6th of October, and our targets for Marico were achieved on Thursday, last Thursday I think. All right, so this I'm sorry. Let me tell you, Prabhudas Capital has also given a recommendation on the same stock, Marico. Their targets are also somewhere around what the capital has given. Okay, so now let's end this session here. If you have some questions, you can go to MunafaSutra.com and you can click on the chat button and you can leave your question there. I'll try to answer your questions in the next upcoming videos. The question answer videos are only uploaded on MunafaSutra.com. If you are watching this on YouTube, then you will only find news videos on YouTube. Alright, so I'll meet you tomorrow again. Today is 2nd November 2020. I'll meet you tomorrow again before market opens. If you want some intraday tips, then you can click in the intraday link in the description below. There is an intraday link here in the description. About 25 to 30 stocks are given for intraday. You can choose which one you want to trade in, which one is about you are comfortable with. You have to know something about the stock to take an intraday trade in it. These intraday picks are 85 to 90% accurate. So many people have told us about this. And like I said, if you have some questions, you can leave it on MunafaSutra.com. Okay, so I'll end this session now here. We'll see you tomorrow morning around 8:15. Bye bye. Have a nice day.